What's up, y'all, and welcome back. I just want to come to y'all real quick and show y'all how to make a regular lace frontal wig into a glueless alopecia wig. Let me show y'all how to measure the elastic band. Actually get this from any local beauty supply store, fabric store, Walmart, whatever. Any kind of elastic will do. You want to start at the end of your ear, and you want to make sure the band goes down low towards the bottom of the nape, like this. And then you want to bring it around to the other side, kind of pulling it taut a little bit, because you want the lace to lay flat. So you want to kind of pull it taut, and then measure at the top of the ear, and about that much lace is what you'll be cutting off your band. So what I did was take about that much after measuring it from ear to ear. And also what I did was split it down this line to split it in half, because it was kind of thick. Didn't need all that material. I figured I could do 2 installs with this one piece of elastic. And elastic should last you a long time. So I just went ahead and split it. But that is how you measure from ear, the top of the ear here, the highest point of the ear. Bring it all the way low down on the nape and stop it at the other top of the ear, pulling it kind of taut, and then that's where you want to cut. So you only have a small piece of elastic. All right, let's go ahead and finish sewing this elastic into our wig. The reason for this is so you can wear this glueless, and so you can be able to apply it easily and remove it daily. All right, we're just gonna finish up sewing in this elastic band. Make sure everything is tight. Making sure the elastic is not going to come loose. And I'm double knotting the thread. I'm wrapping it around the needle maybe 2 or 3 times and bringing the needle through, and that's just going to create a knot. Let's cut it.
You know me. I'm running, don't worry about it. I'm gonna go. Yeah.
And then
Yep.
with the excess thread we have, we're just gonna add about 2 little knots in it, and that's just to make sure the thread won't come loose or won't unravel on us. And just cut the excess thread off. And we're gonna try this baby on real quick. So let me remove my little scarf. I'm gonna spray my hair with some water and conditioner. You never want to manipulate your natural hair dry. It will break on you. It will snap. So you always want to mist your hair with water and some kind of conditioner concoction before you manipulate the hair. Comb, I'm going to go in and just comb all my hair to the back into a ponytail. And we're going to just try out our alopecia wig, because that's what we're here for. We're trying to grow these edges back. Y'all see these edges, y'all? Look at these edges. Yeah, we try to grow them back. Don't be ashamed of them. Just do better. You gotta do better. All right, so I ain't gonna put it in a ponytail. I just brush it to the back. I'm gonna go ahead and put my little cap on, just so we can see how the wig fits. And if I didn't mention already, I went in when I first applied this wig a long time ago and removed all the clips. All the clips that came inside the wig, they are all gone. So there are no tension on this wig. It's not going to break your edges out, your hair out in the nape, none of that. All of these clips have been removed a long time ago. Okay, so I brought my mannequin head in. I wanted to show y'all one little wig hack that is going to save y'all some time and effort once you put the wig on. If y'all are experiencing your wigs flapping in the back, like around the nape area, I'm gonna show you a trick on how to get that to lay flat to the nape. With the adjustable straps that came with the wig when you purchased the wig, you're going to use those. A lot of people don't use them, or you do, but maybe you're not using them and clipping them in the right way. So your wig is still lifting and it's flapping in the back and it's real loose. So your install could be tight in the front, but in the nape area it's real loose and it's just flopping around everywhere. Let me show you what to do here. You see these? Take them off. Just undo those. Both sides.
I got a purple SMG
Okay.
right here.
Put your hair back on your mannequin. And right at the bottom of the nape, what you want to do is take maybe the last row, maybe the last 2 rows. Just section it off. Find a part. Find your parting space right in between. Okay, yeah, here we go. So just part the hair. And you see how loose it is right at the nape. We're gonna fix that real quick.
Watch out though. That's the thing.
So I'm just gonna pin this up with the comb. And with those 2 adjustable straps. One here. We find the other one. The other one is here. What you want to do is take them around the back and hook them together. And that's going to stop a lot of that flapping in the wind. And I had this problem for a long time until I realized we can use these adjustable straps. And that's what's going to keep the hair down. And it's going to keep it tight around the back of the nape. So you got the front of the hairline tight, but you also got the back now tight by using these adjustable straps that came with the wig. So that is your wig hack. Okay, so now that we got the adjustable straps adjusted around the bottom of the nape, and that's to hold that down close to our neckline, so we don't have that flapping. We got those in place. We have the elastic band sewed in. Let's just go ahead and pop this baby on and see how it fits. Ooh. And this elastic band is gonna save y'all some time. You hear me? Pull your cat back. Make sure you pull your cat back. That's what I should have did before I put the wig on. Pulled it back to my hairline. And then we're gonna pull the wig back forward. This wig is definitely snug. It's tight. It's doing just what I wanted it to do with the elastic band. And all you have to do at this point is just style it to your liking and maybe crease some baby hairs if that's what you do. That's exactly what I do. And you can style it any way you want. You can do a middle part, you can do a side part, you can do a deep side part. This is a 13x6 lace frontal, so I have enough parting space to do whatever type of style that I desire. All while rocking this thing glueless. Now that the wig is on, it's tight at the back. Your nape is not flapping all over the place no more. It's snug, it's secure. This is like all the security you're gonna need. So all the ghost bonds and all of the harsh glues you're not gonna need, especially when you're trying to regrow your edges. This is an alopecia wig install hack. So if y'all trying to regrow y'all edges, this is the best way to go. Alright, so I figured I'd go ahead and do a little quick style for you. I have the Ruby Kids Matte Powder Foundation. I'm going to go in and get a little small amount. And we're just going to tap that around the hairline to remove the cast. And as you can see, it's already blending into my skin already. And I like to tap the powder on top of the lace, not up underneath. So I'll go ahead and create some quick baby hairs for y'all. As soon as I get this part together, I need to figure out where I want my parting space at. And I just got some of this got to be glue gel, and that's all that's gonna be holding this wig on is the gel that we're gonna be using to mold down our baby hairs. And this is the most time-consuming part of the whole install, is the baby hairs. Because that's what's holding the wig on. So along with the adjustable straps and the elastic. All right, let's check on our baby hairs. In this video, I just showed y'all how to make a regular lace frontal wig into a glueless alopecia wig, meaning it is glueless. And you can remove it. It's not bonded down. You don't have any harsh glues in contact with your own hairline, because that is the affected area, and that's the one that you want to pay most close attention to regrow. So hopefully y'all like this video. Go ahead and drop me a comment down in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed, and let me know what y'all think about this video. Let me know if y'all try this alopecia wig. All right, I'll see y'all in my next tutorial.